Welcome to Lakshya Institute Pathankot channel. So today in lecture 6 we will discuss all the questions which are there in the previous Neet examination for class 11 for chapter 6 anatomy of flowering plants. So let's start with the video. The first question is, this is an incorrect statement in context of hardwood. The option A is organic compounds are deposited in it. Option B is it comprises dead elements with highly lignified walls. Option C is it conducts water minerals efficiently. And option D is it is highly durable. The right answer is option C. It conducts water minerals efficiently. Question second is the vascular cambium typically gives rise to option A is phylloderm, option B is secondary xylem, option C is periderm, and option D is primary phloem. The right answer is option C, periderm. Question third. The balloon-shaped structures called tyloses. Option A's are linked to the ascent of sap through xylem vessels. Option B's are extension of xylem parenchyma cells into vessels. Option C is characterize the sapwood, and option D is originate in the lumen of vessels. The right answer is option B, are extension of xylem parenchyma cells into vessels. Question 4. You are given a fairly old piece of dicot stem and a dicot root. Which of the following anatomical structures will you use to distinguish between the two? The option A is cortical cells, option B is protoxylem, option C is secondary phloem, and option D is secondary xylem. The right answer is option B, protoxylem. Question 5. This is an incorrect statement for stomatal apparatus. The option A is guard cells are always surrounded by subsidiary cell. Option B is stomata are involved in gaseous exchange. Option C is inner wall of guard cells are thick. And option D is guard cells invariably possess chloroplast and mitochondria. The right answer is option A. Guard cells are always surrounded by subsidiary cell. Question 6th. Some vascular bundles are described as open because these option A's are not surrounded by pericycle. Option B is possesses conjunctive tissue between xylem and phloem. And option C is are surrounded by pericycle but no endodermis. Option D is are capable of producing secondary xylem and phloem. The right answer to this question is option D, are capable of producing secondary xylem and phloem. Question 7. Hardwood differs from sapwood in option A is being susceptible to pathogens and pests. Option B is having dead and non-conducting elements. Option C is presence of fibers and rays. And option D is absence of vessels and parenchyma. The right answer is option B, having dead and non-conductive elements. Question 8. Anatomically fairly old dicotyledonous root is distinguished from the dicotyledonous stem by option A is absence of secondary xylem, option B is position of protoxylem, option C is presence of cortex, and option D is absence of secondary phloem. The right answer is option B, position of protoxylem. Question 9. The length of different internodes in a column of sugarcane is variable because of option A is position of axillary buds, option B is shoot apical meristem, option C is intercalary meristem, and option D is size of leaf lamina at the node below each internode. The right answer is option C, intercalary meristem. The last question for this lecture is, passage cells are thin-walled cells found in option A is testa of seeds to enable the emergence of growing embryonic axis during seed germination. Option B is central region of style through which the pollen tube towards the ovary. Option C is phloem elements that serve as entry points for substance for transport to other plant parts. Option D is endodermis of roots facilitating rapid transport of water from cortex to pericycle. The right answer is option D. Endodermis of roots facilitating rapid transport